Welcome to the Dail Wood Technology channel. Here you will experience impressive moments from the wood industry, along with thrilling and dramatic situations from the world of heavy machinery. Are you ready to discover the surprises and excitement that await? This gigantic ancient tree has lived through many decades, possibly even a century. The tree has a high center of gravity, making the calculation of its falling direction extremely cautious. Trees have a complex structure. While the exterior may be covered with moss and solid wood, the interior could contain hollow or decayed areas that are unpredictable. One more slip, and all the cargo on the vehicle could come crashing down in an instant. With the massive weight of the cargo, the pressure on the wheels in contact with the soft ground increases. Wow, so that's why the logs on the truck are arranged so neatly and compactly. They must have been cut right on the truck. The close-up of this saw blade cutting wood is truly impressive. The massive log is about to be split into smaller pieces, but safety must always be the top priority. Work smart and carefully to avoid potential risks. Oh, where the saw blade spins at an incredibly high speed to cut through the thick wood. Placing the log on the saw table requires intense focus. The StyleMesh 660 is operating at full capacity to cut through the massive trunk of this tree. The StyleMesh 660 chainsaw is one of the most powerful tools for cutting wood, designed to handle giant trees. To prevent danger and ensure the tree falls in the right direction, an excavator is used to apply force and adjust the tree's falling position. The HF800 is one of the most powerful mechanical devices. Its sharp drill bit, made from ultra-durable alloys, is capable of penetrating and fracturing the structure of wood with immense force. The operating principle relies on both rotational and compressive forces, generating enough power to break the wood into sections without compromising the drill's speed or durability. Oh my God, one powerful push could change everything. Will the excavator succeed in felling this giant? You wouldn't believe the perfect balance. Tons of wood stacked neatly and safely without falling out. It's safe to say that when the art of wood stacking and driving skills come together, it creates an incredible performance you can't miss. The logs are stacked on top of each other and securely fastened with sturdy cables. When the log truck has to navigate through a terrain full of logs, Can it stay upright without tipping over? The friction between the wheels and the wood is optimized to prevent slipping, but precise control from the driver is still essential as the massive logs lie stacked on top of each other. As the machine begins to pull, will this stubborn log yield or cause a dangerous situation? The tree's roots are deeply anchored in the soil, keeping it steady. However, when the pulling force is strong enough to overcome the grip of the roots in the soil, the tree will be uprooted. With just one turn, the Morbark 1300 transforms solid wood chunks into mulch. Have you ever seen a machine so powerful it can crush even massive tree roots with a single bite? If the Morbark 1300 were a monster, wood would definitely be its favorite snack. Nothing can stand against this machine. When a heavy truck loaded with wood enters a muddy area, the immense weight increases the pressure on the wheels, which can make it challenging when the mud surface is too soft and slippery. But it seems this truck is still powerful enough to navigate through this path. The fierce battle between the Timberjack 460 and 240, will they cooperate or compete on the icy, snow-covered path? On icy terrain, the friction between the wheels and the surface becomes extremely low, making slipping a real risk. To address this issue, both the Timberjack 460 and 240 are equipped with chains around the wheels to increase contact area and traction. When hauling heavy timber in freezing conditions, controlling the engine and coordinating smoothly is crucial for safe movement. The Granple Skidder is putting on an impressive wood-cutting display in the freezing winter. The Granple Skidder is a specialized machine designed to cut and move timber in the harshest conditions. With its sturdy chain system, it can navigate the slippery surfaces of snow and ice. Its sharp saw blade and powerful cutting arms can easily cut through thick tree trunks, despite the biting cold. This machine is like a giant warrior, never yielding to the forces of nature. After conquering the dense forest, the Timberjack machines begin hauling the heavy logs. The journey back to the yard is about to face a major challenge. Upon arrival at the yard, the logs are skillfully loaded onto the truck and moved to the cutting system. The sharp saw blade slices each log into standardized lengths, ready for transport to the mill or distribution center. It's a meticulous and challenging process. The port operates tirelessly as the massive cranes load logs onto the ships. A breathtaking sight you can't take your eyes off. These cranes use powerful hydraulic systems to generate lifting force, and the operators must be highly skilled to control every movement smoothly. The logs are carefully stacked onto the ship to optimize space and balance the load, which is crucial to avoid the risk of the ship tipping over while sailing. Imagine each log as a heavy passenger, and the crane is like a giant bus carefully transporting them onto the ship. saw operator is so clever for designing a built-in measuring tool on his chainsaw, eliminating the need for any external measuring assistance. By simply moving from left to right along the log, the dimensions are measured automatically, and the cutting process begins, turning the wood into perfectly sized pieces. The log haulers in the rainy season face truly difficult and challenging conditions.
Pista do Man 6x4 conseguiu sair de uma situação complicada. Como o reboque também possui cardan, estamos diante de um mural 10x. ...66 é capaz de fazer.
Ai.
Kamaz off-road e nada mais. Transportando madeira.
A challenging process that leads to a magnificent and awe-inspiring moment of tree felling. A truck carrying tons of timber struggles to cross a narrow, fragile bridge. Its weight proves too much, causing the bridge to collapse under the immense strain. A timber truck hauling long logs up a slope struggles under the heavy load, causing the front wheels to lift off the ground. Oh my God, what a close call. Miraculously, the chainsaw saved the man's legs when the log came crashing down and got stuck in the saw. A truck carrying tons of heavy timber struggles to maintain balance on a slippery road, making it incredibly difficult to control. And eventually it tips over. Ooh, what happens if the load is too heavy and you have to climb a slope? Naturally, the truck will start billowing black smoke, and the engine will be pushed to its limits. Oh my God, a small truck has somehow managed to lift its front wheels high off the ground, right in the middle of the road, dangerously. It's a stark reminder, never push your limits too far, because the cost could be more than you bargained for. People are rushing to help the truck that's been tipped over at a 90-degree angle, standing straight up in the air. Thankfully, everything seems to be under control now. Oh, which log could possibly withstand the power of this massive stump grinder? Just look at it spin at an incredible speed, relentlessly grinding away at the wood, slowly but surely wearing it down bit by bit. The sheer force of this machine is nothing short of mesmerizing. No log stands a chance against it. The heavy-duty trucks are lining up one after another, struggling to climb the steep incline. With every turn of the wheels, the engines roar under the immense weight, each truck fighting to maintain momentum as they battle against the slope. Turning to the timber yard, the hustle and bustle of the place is palpable. The air is thick with the scent of fresh cut wood, unloading, and preparing logs for shipment. It's a place where precision and strength are key, and every task demands attention to detail, from the felling of trees to the final transport of timber to its next destination. Wow! The truck is loaded with so much timber, yet the driver has carefully navigated the steep slope with remarkable skill, making it down safely without a hitch. The man is transporting a long piece of timber on his motorcycle along a narrow road. However, the load is so heavy that he's forced to dismount and walk beside the bike, carefully guiding it on foot to avoid overloading the motorcycle. If it were you, would you dare to ride down this steep road with logs tightly strapped to your motorcycle, balancing the heavy load like that? The risk is huge, but the challenge is undeniable. Let's go meet the veteran lumberjack, a master with decades of experience in the trade. Today, he's cutting down a centuries-old banyan tree, a towering and steadfast witness to time. Each stroke of his saw is like a symphony of strength and technique, with careful precision to preserve the precious wood. Only craftsmen like him can master such ancient trees. Let's see what marvel he will create next. Oh, look at those 3 massive logs on the truck. It's unbelievable. Without the help of the vehicle behind, this truck would have a tough time making it up this steep slope with such enormous logs. The sheer weight and size of the load make every inch of the climb a challenge. Wow, look at that timber truck with tracked wheels, hauling massive, long logs behind it through the freezing winter. As the truck lifts its front wheels off the ground, you can imagine just how heavy those logs must be. The sheer weight of the load is pushing this machine to its limits, but it's still powering through the harsh conditions. What terrain could possibly stop this giant machine with its long, powerful arm lifting massive logs? Those enormous, heavy logs, stretching like giants, are no match for this beast. The road is slick with mud, a treacherous path that would make any driver think twice. But this machine, it's built for this. The engine roars, the arm swings with precision, and nothing, not the slippery road, not the thick mud, can slow it down. This is not just a truck, it's a force of nature. A sharp, razor-like drill bit spinning at high speed. Nothing can withstand its power. Every log it touches will be torn apart, shattered into splinters and fragments with brutal precision. It's as if the very wood itself quivers in fear as the drill drives through, carving through the timber like a hot knife through butter. Now let's take a closer look at the incredible process of small wood production in the workshop. First, those long, sturdy logs are carefully cut into precise sizes, ready for the next step. Then, they're fed into a high-powered machine that splits them into small chunks of firewood, efficiently and cleanly. But that's not all. Any leftover wood that's not used is sent through a powerful grinder, turning it into fine sawdust. Waste not, want not. And the best part? Everything is fully automated from start to finish. It's a perfectly synchronized system, a true marvel of modern technology at work. We can observe that this tree has an immensely massive base, reflecting the strength of an ancient tree that has withstood countless years. The worker is sawing carefully and professionally, cutting bit by bit to ensure that the trunk section is removed safely and precisely. Here's how to fell a tree that is leaning strongly backward. Step 1. Conventional face cut. Make a cut at an angle from the top down to create a triangular face. This angled cut will guide the tree's fall and help ensure it falls in the desired direction with accuracy. Step 2. Shaving sides. Shave the sides of the tree trunk. Step 3. Cutting the gills. This is a critical step in the sharp gill felling method. Make several shallow cuts at the back of the face cut, resembling fish gills. These cuts reduce the opposing force as the tree begins to fall, allowing the trunk to break more easily in the direction of the face cut. The gill cuts relieve pressure on the trunk, making it easier for the tree to fall in the predetermined direction. Step 4, back cut. Make a horizontal cut into the tree trunk, stopping when a small ledge of wood remains to hold the tree upright. This is the final holding point that will support the tree just before it begins to fall. Step 5, pulling the tree down. The tree will fall in the predetermined direction, using a pull rope or other tools. A small amount of force is sufficient to bring the tree down. How powerful is the stump planer? Just watch how it devours a stump in just a few seconds. The stump planer operates with a drilling and continuous grinding mechanism. Its powerful drill blade generates enough torque to grind through each layer of wood into fine chips from top to bottom without causing any damage. The stump planer's standout feature is its ability to handle tree stumps without the need for digging or creating deep holes, helping to preserve the surrounding soil structure and environment. Not a saw, not burning, just the Bandit SG75, and even the most stubborn stump vanishes in an instant. The design of the machine allows for easy mobility and access from multiple angles, making stump grinding easier than ever before. No more digging or labor-intensive methods like in the past. The Bandit SG75 is truly an optimal solution. It leaves behind nothing but a pile of fine wood chips, as if nothing was ever there. Don't look away, the Turbo LKT81 is proving its incredible power as it conquers dense forest terrain with tons of wood in tow. The Turbo LKT81 is a specialized forestry tractor designed specifically for transporting timber across rugged mountainous terrain. With its large wheels, track-mounted system, and high-power engine, the Turbo LKT81 can pull massive loads of timber along challenging routes. The machine's robust frame is built to withstand the high pressure from the heavy timber while minimizing the risk of instability. Just place a log in, and within seconds the firewood is ready. This is the machine revolutionizing the firewood industry. With a simple action of placing the log in, the machine automatically handles the rest. Watching the neatly processed firewood being delivered, we can't help but admire the power and convenience of technology in replacing the labor-intensive work of the past. The Turbo LKT81, the legendary forestry machine, has just accomplished a remarkable feat. This powerhouse successfully pulled a massive tree stump. The Turbo LKT81 is a powerful forestry tractor, specially designed to handle tough tasks like transporting and lifting enormous tree stumps. Its robust structure ensures stability even under heavy loads. The Turbo LKT81 is truly a warrior in timber harvesting operations. The 950 tub grinder, the solution for rapidly and powerfully devouring timber like never before. With its massive round hopper design, the machine is capable of handling large tree trunks and branches, grinding them into wood chips. When the wood is fed into the hopper, the powerful engine generates enough crushing force to break down the wood structure, turning it into fine debris. The sharp cutting blades and rotating grinding system enhance efficiency, processing large volumes of wood without clogging or slowing down. Why cut down a tree when you can simply relocate it? The Skid Pro tree spade makes this surprisingly easy. With its sturdy construction and powerful cutting arms, the Skid Pro tree spade can drill deep around the base of the tree, capturing the entire root system and surrounding soil. This ensures the tree remains undamaged and can thrive in its new location. The ability to preserve the roots and surrounding soil is crucial for helping the tree adapt to its new environment without experiencing transplant shock. Using the Skid Pro tree spade is an eco-friendly and sustainable approach to tree conservation. Instead of cutting down trees every time land needs clearing, trees can be quickly and efficiently relocated, preserving landscape value and protecting the ecosystem. The challenge of hauling winter timber is no match for the Mechalak 11 MWR, a powerful and incredibly versatile machine. A top-tier machine in the field of timber transportation, the Mechalak 11 MWR effortlessly lifts massive tree trunks and arranges them neatly onto the truck bed, ready for the next phase of transport. With its flexible grab arm, this machine can securely grip each large tree trunk and lift them with ease, ensuring that the logs stay firmly in place even when navigating through snow-covered terrain. The Mechalak 11 MWR is the perfect solution for transporting timber in challenging terrain, especially during winter when snow covers the roads. With its ability to quickly and accurately lift and arrange logs, this machine reduces both time and labor, while enhancing safety for workers in the forest. By using the Mechalak 11 MWR, timber operators can easily move wood from the forest to collection areas without worrying about slippery roads or heavy snow. How many logs can the massive Tatra Phoenix LKT-81T carry? The Tatra Phoenix LKT-81T is a powerful, specialized truck designed for heavy-duty work. Get ready to witness its strength. This dedicated truck, equipped with a powerful crane, effortlessly lifts each massive log and arranges them neatly onto the truck bed. Using the Tatra Phoenix LKT-81T significantly saves time and effort in transporting timber from the forest to collection areas, contributing to improved labor efficiency and reducing risk for workers in harsh working conditions. To ensure safety and efficiency, operators must undergo specialized training on vehicle control techniques in unique conditions. Additionally, regular maintenance and inspections are crucial to keep the truck running smoothly and extend the equipment's lifespan. When using the Tatra Phoenix LKT-81T, strict adherence to safety measures is essential to protect both personnel and assets.